this video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can start your poultry farming. So when you're starting a poultry farm or when you're starting a chicken farm, it is important to have a good bedding or a good flooring. So this is what I'm going to demonstrate in this video. Stay blessed and see how we are going to add sawdust into this floor so that it can be comfortable for my beds. So this is how I'm going to do it. Just watch the video. Congratulations if you have made it to the end of this video. So in my description down, I have attached certain links or videos which are related to this one. They might help you. So I also want to hear your comments. So write your comment in the comment section below so that I can know what you are thinking and I will know your views. And also make sure you share this link to your friends, family, and relatives. Stay blessed. See you in the next video.